Tushara. I'm from PGFC for Fashion Communication for the year 2018 to 20 from the Bombay campus. My final project was based on transparency in the fashion industry. So, as we know, a lot of fast fashion brands claim to be doing a lot in terms of sustainability, but there is no means for the consumers to verify this information or find out more about this information. They just have to look at the tags and take the brand's word for it when they read it on the tags that something is 80% ecological cotton. Sometimes they don't even know the definition of what more sustainable means. So this was what my project was entirely based on. So I researched about how greenwashing is a big thing in the industry, as well as like how consumers have to make a lot of effort to access this information. So that was what my project was based on. My final design prototype was to create an app which serves like a one-step platform where consumers can find more information about what each brand is doing in terms of, let's say, clean energy or water. They don't have to fish through tons of annual sustainability reports and all of these, but instead they could come onto one app wherein it's like a brand directory. So if they want to find out more about, let's say, what H&M is doing in terms of packaging, they can just go to H&M and search for H&M and just have all the things that they're doing currently in terms of protecting the environment and everything, and how they wish to do all of these things. What are their future goals? What are they doing currently? And where are their shortcomings? So they get a lot of this information along with, newsletters to new brands that are doing better jobs, and also like a few articles written by guest editors, and where they can also sign petitions and ask brands to do a better job. So it's a one-step platform where they can essentially access all the information that they need to about their favorite brand. Honestly, like in the beginning, I don't think I was into research at all, but right now I'm actually considering doing my entire career based on research and academics. So I think my mentors had like a really big hand in that. It's important to, at least when it comes to research project or any other project, a strong research foundation is what's important. If you know what your project is going to be about, let it be a magazine, let it be anything else, you need to have a strong concept and a strong passion that it all relates to, because otherwise it just seems very superficial and at sometimes you just get stuck in lost. So a central passion is what's important for any project to actually reach its success.